So today I'm going to be transforming into an e-girl. So I've already got my e-girl clothes on that I'll show you later. And I've got some fake piercings here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. And I've also made these like earrings because I didn't want to put like these safety pins straight into my earlobes because ears are really like sensitive. And I've also got a fake nose ring already. Let's get into the makeup now. I'm also going to be doing my hair. Oh, I got a Snapchat from my friend. Okay, now into the makeup. I've already done my eyebrows because I've been waiting. Sorry if I play with this a lot, but it's like I'm going to do like a typical like pink eyeshadow. Pink here. I'm so all over the place. Also, tell me what you think of the nose ring if you can even see it. I literally made it out of a staple because I'm cheap like that. Just starting by priming my eyelids with the concealer pretty much. Just so the pink pops. I need to look at this picture. I need to look at a picture. Let me see. I'm gonna pop up the picture I'm going off on the screen. Hopefully. Yeah, it's pretty much just pink everywhere. So I'm going to get big blending brush. I'm going to take this blush, it's broken, this blush and literally just blend that all over my eyelid. It's pretty. Ooh, look at that. I'm such an e-girl. Ooh. I didn't really know what an e-girl was until I googled it today. I knew what the style was, but I didn't know like what it meant really. Oop. Did I seriously just say oop? I'm gonna get a clean one and blend the edges just because it was getting a bit too high, the pink. I'm never gonna just swing me. This lighting's annoying me. It's annoying. And it's probably annoying you too. You gotta be kidding. Oh, my schnoz. Oh, you gotta be kidding, number 2. Done! Now for the eyeliner. Basically, you just gotta do a giant wing. I'm also going to be making some TikToks. Follow my TikTok if you want to see my TikToks. Eyeliner for me always has to go upwards because I want to bring my eyes upwards. Fat eyeliner does not suit me. Okay, so I've done my eyeliner. They're completely different and they're too fat at the wing's not like sharp. But I'll be cleaning it up when I do my concealer anyway to make it sharp. Holy guacamole. So I'm just going to start on the skin then. I'm just going to take my foundation, plop that all over. Plop. Wow. We love that word. Okay. I just indented my highlighter. How dare she? Concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes first and then clean it up. My e-girl yet? Tee. Now let's try and clean up this tragic eyeliner. E-girls would be ashamed of me. Why do I sound so quiet? Can you please be quiet? Just gonna powder my face quickly. I'm going to be just, I don't even know if they're gonna wear bronzer. I feel like a little bit. I'll put a little bit on. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is the blush. I'm gonna go ham with the blush. I look burnt. Okay, so now I'm going to do a bit of highlight. I like that they don't wear too much, but like a little bit, you know? Just to add a little something something. Look how cute I am. Okay, I just did the highlight and now I'm going to do like my lips before I finish the eyes. This has actually been a lot quicker than I thought. And I actually want to do a dark lip rather than another pink, because I just want to do a dark lip. So I got this MAC lip liner in Stone. You know what I've noticed recently? that I have a moustache and I hate it. Flying first class. Okay, now I'm gonna take the MAC lipstick in Bronx. Baby, I'm from the Bronx. Ooh. TV fortune. Sweep me off my feet. Oh, baby. Crap, this is a bit that scares me, the like love hearts. This is the ugliest love heart I've ever seen in my life. Well, time to clean it up then, eh? That's gonna have to do. But now I'm gonna put pink under my eye and put some fake eyelashes on and some mascara on, and I'll be back to do my hair. Okay, so I have finished the makeup. I've done my eyelashes and put some black eyeliner. Ugh, what? Black eyeliner on my waterline. And now I'm gonna do my hair. I haven't actually looked up a style yet. Let's do that right now. I do like the 2 pigtails quite a lot. So maybe I'll do like half up and pigtails. Okay, so I've got a hairbrush and I've parted my hair in the middle-ish. I'm just gonna grab a piece and put it up basically. Okay, so like that, I've left a piece in the front. You can see the earrings, but there's also hair here. I feel like that's very e-girl. Okay, so this is the hairstyle, and yeah, I actually really like it. So I gotta go have dinner and then I'll be back to show you my outfit and to take some Instagram photos. Okay, I'm back. I've had my dinner and dessert, and now I am going to be doing a montage of me taking some Instagrams and doing some TikToks. So enjoy. Let's make a TikTok, eh?